Good evening, Deepika.
Good evening.
Sorry?
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. And
Okay.
which topic we are going to discuss today?
Today, the topic is birds.
Oh. So, do you like birds?
Yes, I love birds.
So, which is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is sparrow.
Parrot.
Sparrow.
Oh, sparrow.
Yes.
Okay. And why do you like sparrow?
It was small in size and it would be so cute.
Okay, that's why.
Yes.
And do you like the sound that they make?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell me any 5 birds' names which you see every day?
First one is sparrow, pigeon, crow, next lovebird, which is living in my sister's home. Next, fifth one, any other cuckoos?
Oh. And don't you see what is that? Crows.
Yes, I told it as the first bird.
Okay. These are like the very common birds that we get to see, right?
Yes, we can see every day.
And we don't get to see parrots every day?
No?
Okay. And which bird do you think that it's very beautiful? Or it is known for beautiful?
It was peacock.
Yes, right.
Yes, it was very colorful.
Yeah, can you tell me about peacock?
Yes. Peacock is a colorful set of birds.
Yeah.
Next, it would be rare to see in our home nearby. But it is too specific to see for everyone.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. So we will it's very rare to see them.
Yes, like as an attractive bird.
Yeah. And do you know some of the qualities of the bird or some of the things that they are known for?
Known for?
Like they are famous for the peacocks are famous. They dance when it's raining.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, and the male peacock has the feathers.
Yeah.
And the female has not.
Yeah. And they also cry when they see their legs, if you know.
Cry?
Yeah, they cry when they see their own legs.
Oh.
Yeah. So, you don't know about it?
No.
Oh, okay. So, they cry when they see their legs because their legs are the ugliest legs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now only I'm hearing about the animals.
Okay.
Like whatever they fight specific things and birds.
Yeah.
But it is my first time that hearing first peacock cries.
Yeah, they do cry when they see their legs.
Yes.
And do you know ostrich?
Which?
Ostrich.
No, ostrich, yes.
So, have you ever saw an ostrich in real life?
At the zoo.
Okay. So can you tell me the which birds that you saw in zoo?
Saw
In zoo.
zoo.
Yeah.
The ostriches.
Hmm.
Next, I hear there is a bird called penguin also in the zoo.
Yeah.
Next, many other colorful foreign birds are there. Like in the circus also.
Yeah. I think that looks like a like big.
Circus birds, yes.
Yeah. So
And, alright. These are I known and I saw like love pets or our pets.
okay. So can you tell me about this lovebirds? Like what is this? They are birds. Their name is lovebird.
Yes. It is also like bird animals.
Okay.
Yes.
How do they look?
It looks like sparrow, but it is not sparrow. It would be small in size, that like.
Oh.
And I have a lot of, but it would be died and flew away.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes the cat also eat it.
Oh.
Cat or dogs.
So their name is lovebirds.
Yes.
Okay. And
They can also give a new birth.
they can also
Give new birth to anyone.
okay. So like these are like pet, just like a parrot.
Yes.
Okay. So
But it has a small life.
oh, okay. So they are very like a small life or small.
Yes, like 2 to 3 years.
Oh,
Unless it would be for 4 years also.
okay. Okay, so because I never saw these birds in real life and never heard as well. Like I have heard it, but I thought it's just that two pair of birds, they said lovebirds.
But it would be, we can grow it as a group of birds, like many other birds in the cage, you can also grow it.
Oh, like pigeons?
Like?
Pigeon.
Yes, you can also.
Okay, so if you could have any bird, like more than one bird as a pet, which bird would you like to have?
We can't, but I like to grow any other peacocks or sparrows or pigeons.
Oh, nice. Okay.
But pigeons means I want the grey, not color. I want the red color, like orange.
There are red pigeons as well?
Yes. No, it would be like orange color.
Orange color.
Yes.
Okay. So, if you will have pets, for example, you are having these pets, okay, like these birds as a pet. So, what will you do, and how will you treat them, and how will you keep them?
Like birds?
Yeah.
Which bird?
Yes.
Any other?
Like you said, if you could have any three birds, these three birds you like to have as a pet, right?
Yes. I have the lovebirds. We want to give food like
Okay.
humans.
Okay.
And you should not open the gate. Whenever your gate is open, your door is open.
Hmm.
because it will flew away, but it don't know to fly. After the few distance, it will fall down.
Oh.
Sometimes yes, because the mother of that bird also got in the cage.
Hmm.
Yes, but some birds can flew away, so it would be without you it can live.
Okay. So.
Like human beings, you want to clean, you don't visit the pet.
Hmm.
And you must give the food, water,
Yeah. So.
and cleanliness of that pet food carrying bowl also.
Okay. So I think keeping. What do you think about keeping them in a cage? What is your opinion?
Nowadays, I wouldn't like to grow any birds in the cage because they also want to fly away to know the world.
Yes.
Yes, nowadays I'm not having any birds with me.
Okay. So you used to have birds.
Yes.
Okay. Which birds you had?
I had a lovebird.
And?
Lovebirds only. It would be in a color.
Okay.
Because when I forget it, when I am studying second or third, have it. Nowadays it's not with me. All the one died.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, I think keeping birds in a cage is not right thing.
Yes. It want to be live in a big world.
Yeah, it must be like this is a cage is not their place.
Yes.
They are not meant to be in a cage.
Yes. If we put some birds in the cage, it would not have the wanted place because many more birds in that cage. It cannot have the enough space.
Yeah, and just like you said, they forget how to fly.
Yes.
It's such a bad thing that they forget how to fly, and they are meant to fly. They are born to fly, and because of keeping them in a cage, they just forget how to fly. That's such a
Yes.
bad thing. I think we should not keep them in a cage. Like have them, and if they are willing to stay with you, if they are coming to eat and all, that's it. Don't keep them in a cage. What will you like? I think it's just nothing you get after keeping them in a cage. What you can do? Like you can see them every day.
No, but nowadays I would like to view the birds whenever my sister brought to home.
Okay.
It is also my entertaining thing whenever my sister brought in some birds or any other birds, I will view at it. My sister told me the birds do not can't flew when you open the cage because all the birds don't know how to fly.
Oh.
If you do means, I will feed you. My sister told me. Nowadays, my sister also not brought in any other birds.
Okay, that's nice. I think everyone should do that. Like anyone who does these things, they will not get anything, and they are just harming the bird. It's not good for them.
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you think that about cutting the trees? Because you must know that trees is a home for birds. They live there.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is your opinion about it?
If we cut the trees, birds can't live in a safe place. If we cut one tree, we can't stop. We cut lots of trees.
Yeah.
And it is also dangerous for us. We cannot get oxygen or shadow or fruits, plants, etc.
Yeah, right. Yes, I think cutting trees is not a good thing, and you're right that they will not stop by cutting one tree. They will cut a lot of.
Yes, it is also dangerous for us and animals and birds also.
Yeah, right. So, like, how we should treat birds? Like, what we should do with them?
So we want to keep water every day because at the summertime
Yeah, especially in summers.
and nowadays my hobby is also to be to give the foods to the birds. Nowadays the many more birds are in my home for eating.
Okay.
The great thing is they fixed a time.
Oh.
The group of birds whenever coming to my home in the morning, it would be 10:30
Okay.
eating the breakfast. Before 7:30 it would be eat for snacks.
Okay.
Next afternoon it come at 12:30 or 1.
Oh.
And at the evening 4 to 5:30. After any birds come to our house because it will be very dark at the time.
Oh. It's a really nice thing.
Yes. If the birds are there at any time, we can know the time also in our home.
Oh,
Yes.
that's amazing.
Yes.
And like, which bird comes to your home?
It is sparrows, crows,
Oh.
pigeons, cuckoos, and the little bird, I don't know that name, it would be very nice. Its beak is red, its neck is white, and its head is green, and the body is some other color, brown.
Oh.
I don't know that
My-
name. I pick a photo and keep it in the Google. What is the Google also crashed.
Oh.
Yes, it didn't answer to me.
Okay. So it's a
It's the
multicolor bird.
smallest bird.
Oh, it is smallest.
Yes, like sparrow.
Oh, nice. That must be beautiful.
It is so beautiful, but it came us one day after. One day it will come, means next day it will not come. The next day not come, the next day come, that way. Day after, day before, that way.
Oh. So like it leaves one day in between.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
But for last 3 days it will not come.
oh, okay.
In searching for that bird.
It will come, I think. They like it must be find some new home.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Deepika, I think we had a great conversation over this topic.
Yes.
Yeah, and now it's time to hang up.
Yes.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.